Everyone desires glowing skin. A radiant complexion not only enhances your appearance, but also boosts confidence and self-esteem. If you're yearning for that enviable glow, you're in luck. Here's our countdown of the top 8 ways to naturally and quickly achieve radiant, glowing skin that will have you beaming with confidence in no time. 8. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to breakouts, inflammation, and dullness. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time in nature to calm your mind and promote a radiant complexion. 7. Use natural remedies. Incorporate natural ingredients into your skincare routine to enhance your skin's radiance. Ingredients like honey, aloe vera, green tea, and rosehip oil are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that nourish and brighten the skin, leaving you with a healthy, glowing complexion. 6. Cleanse and exfoliate regularly. Proper cleansing and exfoliation are essential for removing dirt, oil, and dead skin cells that can dull your complexion. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type to cleanse your face twice daily, followed by a mild exfoliator 2 to 3 times a week to reveal fresh, radiant skin underneath. 5. Moisturize daily. Hydrated skin equals glowing skin. Apply a moisturizer suited to your skin type immediately after cleansing to lock in moisture and keep your skin soft and supple. Look for moisturizers containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides to hydrate and replenish your skin's moisture barrier. 4. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure can lead to premature aging, sunspots, and dullness. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Wear protective clothing, seek shade, and avoid prolonged sun exposure during peak hours to maintain a youthful, glowing complexion. 3. Get adequate sleep. Beauty sleep is real. Your skin repairs and rejuvenates itself while you sleep. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to wake up with refreshed, glowing skin. Establish a bedtime routine, avoid electronic devices before bed, and create a sleep-friendly environment to promote better sleep hygiene. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Your diet plays a significant role in the health of your skin. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals to nourish your skin from the inside out. Foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids help protect your skin from damage and promote a radiant complexion. 1. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key to radiant skin. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps flush out toxins from your body, keeping your skin hydrated and plump. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day to maintain optimal hydration levels and promote a healthy glow. To summarize, achieving glowing skin naturally and quickly is within reach with these simple yet effective tips. By prioritizing hydration, nutrition, skincare, sun protection, sleep, stress management, and natural remedies, you can unlock the secret to radiant, luminous skin that radiates confidence and self-esteem. Embrace these habits into your daily routine and watch your skin transform into its most radiant state yet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.